And for this surprise element of awards that we have, I'm going to invite Mr. Sinha to please come up on stage and reveal this category.
सर आज तो बनता है थोड़ा सर इधर एक बार मिस्टर सिन्हा के लिए एक बार सिंपल सिंपल म्यूजिक थैंक यू सो मच सर थैंक यू सो मच
We've been debating that we've been giving awards to the retailers and all that, so why not for the big daddies? And the big daddies are the AWDs. So why not give an award for the AWDs on terms of performance? But the surprise is that it's for next year because we are going to make it very scientific. It is going to be audited and it is going to be based on predefined parameters, and these parameters will be communicated to you and we'll be monitoring it, we'll be reporting it, and at the end of the year, hopefully we'll have 3 very good winners. But then we said that since we are meeting in Goa, and since Goa is known for generating bright ideas, why not give some awards for the past performances? So very hurriedly, the senior management in RDS, along with Mr. Debashish Podar, we sat down, we decided on certain parameters, and then we have come to a conclusion about the 3 winners, or rather 4 winners, for tonight. I'd like to tell you that the parameters used for the awards that are going to be given tonight are sales growth over the last 2 years, the sales or the purchases made by these AWDs in certain price bands which generate higher margins in the last 2 years in the categories of home collection and towels, and the performances of AWDs in the field of receivables or payments in terms of timely and swift payments, and also in terms of overdue outstandings. So broadly, these are the 3 parameters used. The results were internally generated, they have been audited, they have been certified by internal auditors, and based on that, the decisions have been arrived at. It's very exciting. No one knows who's going to win. The presenters will tell you, the presenters will call the person who's going to give away the awards. So fasten your seatbelts and wait for submission. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sinha. Thank you so much for your kind words.
Begin, guys.
The evening simply gets spicier. No one's expecting these segments of awards. And to do the honors, I'm going to welcome on stage our very own Bombay Dying rock star, Mr. Debashish Podar. Woo!
The loudest round of applause. Come on, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, the AWD Performers Shield. And the bronze goes out to
कहते हैं ना जब देते हैं भगवान तो चप्पल फाड़ के देते हैं. Hello, hello. The bronze award for the outstanding all-round performance as distributor for Performance League 2011-12. There is a tie. Guess? Any guess? No guess? It's a Bargain Textile Kolkata and Sri Durga Enterprise Vijayawada.
Joint winners tonight. Let's give them a huge round of applause. Carrying home a MacBook Air and their Performers Shield.
Second joint winner.
like to call my father, Mr. Bharat Dugar, Mr. Suresh Singh, Mr. Siddharth Banerjee and Mr. Raj Sinha on stage, please.
You have four fathers.
सब मेरे बाप हैं.
अच्छा.
Mr. Sinha, please. Mr. Suresh Singh, Mr. Siddharth Banerjee.
Let's quickly have you gentlemen on stage. Congratulations to our winner. Moving on to our second award. In the silver category, the AWD award in the silver category goes out to
Hello? Any guesses here? Yes, you are right. Girisans, Mumbai.
Come on guys, quickly. Okay guys, this is a special announcement for the silver winner. They have been associated with Bombay Dyeing for 50 years. 50. They have been with Bombay Dyeing for 50 years. I think they deserve a bigger round of applause. Come on!
Congratulations to our winners, and congratulations sir on completing 50 long years of association. Thank you so much for that extended support that you've offered down the years.
And now the big one. Let's see who the gold winner is. This is certainly the big one. And the gold winner is...
Hello? The name starts with B. Yes, the Burning Intention, New Delhi.
Many congratulations to our winner.
Hello. Quickly come please Mr. Raj Sinha, Mr. Amit Malhotra, Mr. Anil Ghosh and all the Delhi Walas. See, the Delhi Walas have made us proud. And we are just a conduit between the company and the trade. Please come everybody. Hello. You are the pillars of success for us.
Guys, a bit quickly. Come on, everyone. Quickly come. We're running short of time.
Dilwale Delhi.
Sameer, where are you?
Mr. Raj Sinha. Requesting Mr. Podar to please do the honors and hand over the performer's shield.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you much. Kindly take your seat, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Kindly take your seat, guys. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, a little bit of a restriction of time. However, we quickly move on to our last segment of awards in the retailer category once again, which is, we've now moved on to the most prestigious category of awards, where we're talking about the retail lions, the retail leaders. And in this category, our bronze winner is...
I have to say something. I'm very sorry that I did not invite the Bombay Dyeing team who produced the good products. My apologies to all of you.
Apologies very well accepted, sir. Keep up the good spirit and work harder. Our first retail lion, bronze winner, goes out to...
Skylon, Bangalore.
Ladies and gentlemen, the bronze leader, this Performers League 2011 and 12, Skylon, Bangalore.
Awards. Was a new player in this field and who has already crossed 1 crore in less than 2 years. A special mention for someone who's relatively new to the field and also already crossed 1 crore in less than 2 years. I'm sure in the coming year, he's going to be one of the winners. But a very special mention, a big round of applause for Mr. Anil Gupta, Shubham Collection, New Delhi. A big round of applause for him. First, we have the bronze winner right here. Bronze winner right here. We just wanted to mention his name because of his unbelievable achievement. Crossed 1 crore in less than 2 years, Mr. Anil. We are sure in the coming years, you're going to be one of the winners. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, moving on to our silver winner in the retail lion, the retail leader category. The silver winner goes out to
Sapphire, Chennai.
a huge round of applause for Sapphire Chennai. Many congratulations to our silver winner, our retail lion from the Dakshin Dashers. Keep up the great spirit. Carrying home a Sony 21-inch Vaio laptop. Congratulations, sir. And ladies and gentlemen, with that, we've come to the last award this beautiful evening.
The big one!
The biggest, the boldest award. The biggest retail lion gold winner goes out to...
The biggest award, the Big Daddy Award, the gold winner is...
I think I can take 30 seconds for the guesses. To the place to hold. Any guess? Any? No one? Huh? So pessimistic, everyone? It's Girishans, Kolaba, Mumbai.
We are at the Bombay Dyeing Performers Awards. Keep up the great work. All of us are winners tonight. Many congratulations to our gold winners in the retail leaders category. Thank you, Mr. Podar.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you
Podar.
so
Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, the night is still young.
One last time, a big round of applause for all the winners! But. With this, we come to an end to the award ceremony. But the night is still young, drinks are on, and the DJ is very much on. Have a good sleep. We'll see you tomorrow 9:30 sharp for the exhibition. Have a good sleep. God bless you. Good night.
It's a Bleak Kohli and Akash Bedi signing off once again. Cheers to all.
Thank you.
ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਉਹ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਗੱਲ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਖਿਲੜ ਗਈ Indian